Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have Ipsy versus Ipsy. They both came the same day. I don't know what has gotten into Ipsy, but I like getting them the same day because then I can do the comparison. When they come different days, if I'm already filming, I don't want to hold it. So, Ipsy Glam Bag is now $14 a month, $1.99 shipping and handling. I do pay tax in Pennsylvania. 5 samples. We get to choose 1 item. They are promising for December and moving forward that we'll have the 1 full-size item to pick from. But if I get 2 bags, I don't want to pick the same item. So if there's like only, there's 2 full-size products to pick from it and I already have the one of them, I don't want to choose it again. So I think they're still missing the mark. I've not even opened these bags, so let's get these opened. Just going to cut them open. I was going to grab a sweater. I am freezing. My nose is running. I'm so cold. And my heat is not low. It's up because, my mom's cold. But I'm like, oh my goodness. But real fast before I start, I wanted to, and I did thank Monique already, but Monique, oh my goodness. Dutch Monique. I was trying to think what her channel name is. She sent me a beautiful card all the way from the Netherlands. Happy holidays. I mean, it's a stunning card. Beautiful. I love it. So now I can put it behind me, which I couldn't do that before because I didn't properly thank her. So thank you. I got it and I'm like, wait a minute. I know that was an international stamp, but I was like, the way that, I can't show you, but the way that they have a stamp on it, I'm like, ooh, that's not, I think that's more Dutch. And then I have this card, which I can't show you because it's a family photo. And this is from Janet Skelton. So thank you, Janet. I love seeing your family photos. And this one, and I, did not ask her and I would not ask her. And this is, from their wedding that they had. Wishing you a very blessed Christmas, the Skeltons. So it's Janet and her husband, her daughter and son-in-law, and then I think her son and daughter-in-law, if I'm not mistaken. I know the one in the bride dress is her daughter who got married just recently, and I think her son did too. I think it was, I don't think it was both her girls. I think it was a son and a daughter. So thank you so much. I saved them. I love them. So we'll put this here too. So I'm just going to pick a bag and let's see what we have going on here. Oops, glitter everywhere. So this is the bag. We all saw this in the beautiful magenta pink background in my PR haul. You are the main attraction is the theme, and they do give you a list of items. Do I know what account this is from? No. But for your purposes, I don't think it matters. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 5. I was going to say, wait a sec. So the first item is Jurlique Rose Body Lotion. Been using a lot of this lately. Just so dry. Softening Body Lotion in Rose. This is a deluxe sample. Let's open this up and see what you look like. Well, that's a cute little bottle. Been giving a lot of body lotions, body butters to my mom. Skin's just so dry, so anything to help her out there. Just an update on my mom. She's doing pretty good. Still very weak. Can't get up or down the steps yet. We're working on it with PT. We tried a little bit today, and I think some days she's a little bit more tired. It's cold today, so her joints, it's difficult. It's very simple if you don't have a problem to get up and down the steps. But when you're her legs are swollen, she's retaining some fluid. She is a cardiac patient. And so that makes it hard to bend and lift a heavy leg. I mean, I know when I had a cast on my leg walking up and down the steps, you're carrying extra weight. It makes it difficult. So, she tries and she did great on Monday, this past Monday. Got up and down 3 steps. Well, 1 set of steps in my house is 5 steps. Well, we have 3 flights. So, I think she can do it before the holiday, which is nice. But otherwise, she's improving, greatly improving. From GoldFaden MD, we have a lip therapy. Always happy to see that. Sample. Instantly boost, hydrate, and condition your lips. I need that. My skin is so dry because I have been lacking in skincare and all that good stuff. Here's a little tiny mini shape tape from Tarte, and this is a corrector in peach. Oh, that's nice. I don't think I have peach. Okay, I don't care for these, but these are okay. From Aceology, Hydro Glow and Energizing Green Tea Eye Mask. So there's probably one in each, which is, you know, a set. This should not be in our bag, in my opinion. It's, you know. And then the full-size item in this bag is Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner. And this is in Tapioca Pearl, and this is sealed. I want to open it, but let me see if I can see where the little dotted lines are to help me open it. Because there is a hole. I just don't want to get cut. I'm going to try. I have so many videos to film because I have not filmed in a while. I've been too busy with my mom. Holidays are coming, you know, just like all that stuff. I cannot get this open. Come on. Like, I can barely see the... I think I see it. Let me see if I can... Of course. It starts and stops. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this open or not. Let me see if I can get this now. Oh, I have no idea what Tapioca Pearl is. Is it like a color? Is it a neutral? I would assume tapioca is a neutral, but should I ever assume? Probably not. Oh, God, it still is not going to open. Oh, my goodness. And then this stuff sticks to you. I cannot pull, I can't, I'm struggling still to get this off. I get that they seal these, but not every company seals them, and it just makes it so difficult. Well, at least let me get to the lid. Okay, so that's that. Is that like, oh no, that's a color. That's like a green. Okay, ooh. That's, I would say that's like a black gray shimmer. Not even green. Can I get that back in there without breaking the tip? Okay, let me see if I can pull this off. That's not horrible. I do like that shade. Tapioca Pearl is deceiving. That's the full-size item. And that is $18. I would never spend $18 for that. I mean, honestly, just would not. So that's one of them. And then we'll get to the other one and see. I don't even think there's a full size in this one, if I'm being honest. Not bad, but, you know, not great. Okay, let's move on. So, you know, You're the Main Attraction is still the theme. Gives you, you know, a list. I have more of the Aceology eye patches. And then, you know, the bag again. Same. I wish they would have had variations of the bag. That would have been cool. First item is from glitter everywhere. Tresluce Beauty. Volumizing and lengthening mini mascara in black. So that is a sample. From Ace Beaute Slick Luster Lip Gloss. And this is, oh, Slick Luster is the shade. I think I got this in PR. Which I don't mind having more than one when they're little. Right there. I don't know if I showed the other one, but I'll swatch this one. I think I did, because I remember having this on my hand. So it's just like gives a little bit of color, but shimmer, and obviously a gloss. They're always handy to have. I have another one of these, Jurlique Softening Body Lotion. So this has no full size. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion right here. Age defying. This is an exfoliator, so there's all samples in this bag. And that's when I say there weren't a lot of choices for full size. So, you know, could they have given us an option to have the Tresluce mascara be full size, the Ace Beaute lip gloss be full size? Because I would choose those. You know, I'll choose it as a full size. So, you know, in my opinion, a big fail on Ipsy's part for full size to justify their price increase, which to me, I don't think they can ever just, you know, justify it because it's ridiculous, you know. I mean, I know $14 is not a lot of money, but they used to be 10. So, I mean, yeah, over the years it's gone up, but not like so drastic that, you know, but by the time you put $2 shipping and handling and tax and all that stuff, you know, you're into $17.30. I think I pay $17.40, something like that. It adds up. And Macy's Beauty Box, which I have right here that I'm going to be filming next, is only $15.90. So, and I get better brands. Most times we get a bonus, which is always full size. So, you know, I don't know about Ipsy. I mean, am I going to still get it in 2024? Yes. I am scurrying with points in one of my accounts to use all the points up. And if there's a little bit left, I don't care. And just only get one Ipsy Glam bag. I just don't think it's worth to get two. The samples are nice. And yes, they serve a purpose. I can try that peach corrector from Tarte as a sample to see if I like it before I think about buying and investing in the full size, because Tarte is expensive. Oh, that just got on my hair. So yes, it does serve a purpose to be able to do that, but you know, sometimes you order from Tarte, you get free samples. So let me know what you did for December. Did you stick with it? Did you cancel? Are you done with Ipsy? Like, it's just frustrating. It really is frustrating. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.